Because Nodejs is the language we use on the server, and E for Express is a framework for Node.js, just as Angular is a framework for JavaScript. It simplifies the server-side code and logic and makes things easier to work with Node. You don't need it actually, but it makes things easier. It's a middleware-based server framework, and we can better understanding about it while we dive into the course. It will get easier to understand practically step by step. So now, let us check the market demand for mean. The demand for full stack developers with knowledge about mean is high today because of the high scalability and reactivity of the framework. Right now, there are more than 5,000 job offers available in India on mean domain. Since Angular developer works on the front end, the pay scale of a developer can give you an idea about how much you will be paid in the field. The location you are working in impacts the pay, and the average base pay of an Angular developer is more than 4,50,000 per annum in India. So let us check the prerequisites to learn the mean development. Before proceeding to the mean, you must be aware of these prerequisites, that is HTML fundamentals, CSS fundamentals, JavaScript fundamentals, Bootstrap, jQuery, and TypeScript fundamentals. We should learn HTML to display the front-end content, and CSS to style and design the application. JavaScript provides the functional activity to the application. jQuery is an extension library, and Bootstrap is the framework for HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. We use TypeScript to develop Angular framework. We will learn all about these prerequisites before proceeding to the course. And how come Angular is a JavaScript framework? And what is the need of TypeScript? We will dive deeper into all these in these sessions where we start working with the technology. See you all in the course.